Hey, you there, slave! What's the meaning of all that commotion out in the streets? Uh-huh. The Emperor's dead? Are you sure? Are you absolutely sure? This isn't a ruse to punish his enemies? Uh-huh. You heard it from someone who saw it himself, you say? Uh-huh. At the theater? Who on earth would kill him there? His own bodyguard? Why would they do that? Yes, that is a bit degrading. And the young lad didn't quite turn out like his father, the noble Germanicus. Oh, what a reasonable man and glorious general he was. But I wonder what will happen now. Uh-huh. The Senate is gathering on the Capitoline Hill to debate what happens next, you say? How exciting! Oh, there's more noise and commotion out in the streets. Missenio, go find out what's happening. I wonder if the Senate will get rid of these emperors. It would be like in our ancestors' day. Just the two consuls managing everything with the advice of the Senate. It sounds so free, and yet so strange somehow. Oh, Missenio, you're back. Why do I hear these cries of joy? The Praetorian Guard is calling for Claudius to be emperor? Uh-huh. Well, I guess that will be that then. Hmm. I wonder how this will turn out. Claudius doesn't have much experience in public office, and he has such unfortunate gestures. But he has written some very smart histories, and has lived while the rest of his family suffered. Maybe he does have the mind for being emperor, even if he does speak such nonsense sometimes. Will that even matter? The Praetorian Guard is making him emperor. They will probably push him around. I will just have to be careful and see what fortune decides.